Namaste children. I hope everyone is safe and take necessary precautions to get rid from coronavirus COVID-19. Now observe these two conditions, two situations. You read. Observe these two situations. The area of a square is 144 centimeter square. What would be the side of a square? What it is? Square is given, whose area is given. How much is the area of this square? It is 144 centimeter square. Then what is the side of the square? How much is this? As you know, in square all the sides are equal in length. Therefore, four sides are equal in length. We don't know what is its length. How do you find its length? What concept do we use to find the length? Now, what is the formula to find area of a square? Area of a square is equals to area of a square is equals to what? Side into side. Square units. Side into side. Square units. That is side square. Square units. Let the side of the square is A units. This is how much? A units, and this will be how much to be? This is also A units. Then how do you find its area? That is side into side. A into A, that is equals to 144. A into A is equals to 144. A into A is equals to it is A square, that is equals to 144. Then what is A here? The length of the side of a square. How do you find length of the side of a square? It means that A. How do you find its value? What is here? A is a number, a natural number, whose square number is 144. Whose square number is 144. So what we have to find? To find A means we have to find a natural number whose square number is 144. Then how do you find that? By using the concept of square root concept. So what we call this number A, what we call this number? This number is a natural number whose square is 144. So to find the square root of, that is the side of the square, we have to find A. Then how do we find A? A is equals to square root of 144. Square root of 144. So the number A, we call it as what? A number called square root. What we call this number A? Square root. What is square root? Square root is a number whose products, that is whose number, whose products are perfect squares. Whose products are perfect squares. Now we will see one more example, one more situation where we will come across. Find the diagonal of a square whose side is 8 centimeters. Now we have a square is given with 8 centimeters its side. What is a square? A square is a four-sided quadrilateral polygon in which all the sides are equal and all angles are equal. Each angle is 90 degrees. Now what is our question? Find the diagonal. What is the diagonal of a square? Diagonal is a line segment which is drawn from one vertex to its opposite vertex. We call these two vertices. When we join these two opposite vertices, we will get a line segment. That line segment is known as a diagonal. A square has two diagonals. Here AC is one diagonal, and if you join B and D, we get one more diagonal, that is BD. What about the sides? AB, BC, CD, AD. All are equal sides. Therefore, AB is 8 centimeters, BC is also 8 centimeters. How much is AC? This we need to find. How do you find diagonal of a square again? Observe here the figure. What we call this triangle ABC? What kind of triangle it is? Yes, it is right angle triangle. What property we studied about the right angle triangle? Yes, it is Pythagorean property. So by using Pythagorean property, we can find the what? Diagonal. Length of the diagonal of a square. So now here which is this AC is the diagonal, and if you consider this right angle triangle ABC, if you consider right angle triangle ABC, where angle B is equals to 90 degrees, hypotenuse. What Pythagoras theorem says that square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. It means that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. That is AB is equals to how much? 8 centimeters. Therefore it is 8 square plus BC. BC is equals to how much it is? 8 square. That is 8 square is equals to 64. And again 8 square is equals to 64. Add 64 plus 64. It is 4 plus 4 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. 128. AC square is equals to 128. What is AC here? It is length of the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle or length of the diagonal of the square ABCD. Now how do you find what is AC? AC is a number whose product that is 128. If it is a perfect square number 128, then AC will become what it is, a number whose product is a perfect square number. Then AC we call it as what? Square root of 128. AC we call it as what? Square root of 128. And here A we call it as what? Square root of 144. Now we are introducing the topic square roots. What is our today's topic? It is square roots. So in the previous classes we have studied the squares and their properties. Now here we are going to study what are square roots, what are their properties, how do we find, what methods are there to find the square roots. Now the symbol for square roots is, this is the symbol for square root. Now how to find square root? See here, when you multiply 2 with 2, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. And similarly when you multiply minus 2 with minus 2, we get minus 2 into minus 2 is equals to minus into minus is plus 2 into 2 it is 4. In both the cases when you multiply 2 with 2 and minus 2 with minus 2, the product is same 4 only, and 4 it is a perfect square number. So now square root of 4, what we can write it as what? Plus or minus 2. That means plus 2 as well as minus 2. Similarly if you take one more number, 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 is equals to 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. In this case also the product will be same. Therefore square root of 9 is equals to, square root of 9 is equals to plus or minus 3. Plus 3 or minus 3. Now in this class we will study only positive square roots only. Means that square root of 4 is equals to it is 2. Square root of 9 is equals to it is 3. Only we will study positive square roots. Now come here. Square root of 1 is equals to 1. Square root of 4 is equals to 2. Square root of 9 it is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 5. Square root of 36 it is 6. Square root of 49 7. Square root of 64 it is 8. Square root of 81 it is 9. Square root of 100 it is 10. Similarly 121, square root of 121 it is 11. Square root of 144 it is 12. Square root of 169 is 13. Similarly square root of 196 it is 14. Square root of 225 it is 50. Square root of 256 60. Square root of 289 70. Square root of 324 80. Square root of 361 is equals to it is 90. And square root of 400 is equals to 20. All these right side numbers are known as square roots and left side numbers are square numbers, are perfect square numbers. As I told you, for each square number we have two square roots are there, one positive square root and one negative square root. Now we will study some of the properties of this square roots. As already in the earlier class we have studied properties of square numbers. Let us study the properties of square roots. If you observe here the perfect square number 1 and it is 121. 121 and 1. We have what is there in the units place? It is 1 is there and there also 1 is there. Now 81, we have 1 is there in the units place, and 361, we have 1 is there in the units place. What are these numbers? 1, 121, and 81, and 361. All these four numbers are perfect square numbers which are ending with the digit 1. What about their square roots? Square root of 1, it is 1. Square root of 121, it is 11. Square root of 81, 9. Square root of 361, it is 19. If you observe these two square roots, 1 and 11, we have 1 in the units place. And if you observe these two square roots, 9, and here in the 19, we have again 9 is there. So from this, what we can conclude? The square roots of perfect square numbers which are ending with 1, their square roots will end with either 1 or 9. I repeat once again. The square roots which are ending with 1, their square roots will end with always either 1 or 9. Similarly, we will study for this next property. So square root of 4, it is 2. Square root of 144, 12. 4, and here in 144 we have 4 is there in the units place. 64, 4 is there in the units place, and 324, 4 is there in the units place. These are the four square numbers: 4, 144, 64, and 324. These four numbers are ending with 4, or their units place digit is 4. What about their square roots? Their square roots we have root 4, it is 2. Square root of 144, it is 12. These two numbers are ending with 2. And square root of 64, it is ending with 8. Square root of 324, it is ending with 18. That is 8, it is there. So in the units place we have either 2 or 8. So what I can conclude is, if any perfect square number ending with 4, their square root number will end with either 2 or 8. It will end with what? Either 2 or 8. The numbers, perfect square numbers, whose units place digit is 4, their square root numbers units place is either 2 or 8. Now what about this? Root 9 is equals to 3. Root 169 is equals to 13. 9 is there in the units place. Here we have 9 is there in the units place. 49, we have 9 is there in the units place. Root 2, square root of 289, 9 is there in the units place. These four numbers, that is 9, 169, 49, and 289. All these four perfect square numbers are ending with the digit called 9. What about their square roots? Root 9, it is 3. Root 169, 13, again 3 is there. So, and here it is root 49, 7. Root square root of 289, it is 17. 7 is in the units place. So now what I can conclude from this? The perfect square numbers which are ending with the digit 9. The perfect square number which are ending with the digit 9. Their square roots will end with either 3 or 7. Either 3 or 7. That is root 9, 3. Root 169, 13. It is again 3. Root 49, 7. Root 289, 289, 17 again 7. So from this, what I can conclude it is the squares which are ending with the digit 9, their square roots will end with either 3 or 7. Next, what about this 16? The numbers, perfect square numbers which are ending with the digit 6. 16, we have 6 is there. 196, we have 6 is there in the units place. 36, we have 6 is in the units place. 256, we have 6 is in the units place. These four perfect square numbers are ending with a digit called 6. What about their square roots? The square roots will end with what digit? We will see now. Root 16, it is 4. Root 16, it is 4. Square root of 256, it is 16. Square root of 256, it is 6. Square root of 196 is equals to what it is? 14. Here it is root 16, 4. And then root 36, 6. Square root of 256, it is 16 are there. Now if you observe here, all these four numbers are ending with a digit called 6. Their square roots will end with either 4 or 6. Either 4 or 6. So what I can conclude? The perfect squares which are ending with the digit 6, their square numbers will end with either 4 or 6. The next one it is 25. Root 25 is 5. Root 25 is 5. Root 225 is 15. Next root 625 is 25. All these numbers 25, 225, 625. These perfect square numbers are ending with 5. What about their square roots? 5. And here it is 15. The next case is 25. Those square roots also will end with number 5. So what I can conclude from this? The square numbers which are ending with 5, their square roots will end with 5. Now what about 0? What about 0? So here the square numbers are 100, 400. 100 is square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 400 it is 20. Here these perfect square numbers are ending with 0. Their square numbers also end with 0. Their square numbers also end with 0. The next one it is, how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros are there. That is perfect square number. We have 2 zeros are there. What about in square root number? We have only 1 zero is there. Means half of the number of zeros we will find in the square roots. For example, square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 10,000. Square root of 10,000. 10,000. How many zeros are there? We have 10,000. 4 zeros are there. Its square root will have only 2 zeros. Half of 4 zeros means 2 zeros. That is square root of 10,000 is equals to 100. So these are the properties of square roots. As usual, square roots of odd numbers are odd numbers only. Square roots of even numbers are even numbers only. So here 1 is an odd number, 9 is an odd number, 25 is an odd number, 49 is an odd number. What about their square roots? 1, 3, 5, 7. All these are odd numbers. So the square roots of even perfect square numbers are even numbers. The square roots of odd perfect square numbers are odd numbers. So these are the properties about the square roots. Next we will discuss how to find square roots of the given perfect square numbers. Now, methods of finding the square roots. Here we will discuss few methods. One among them, method of repeated subtraction, prime factorization method, long division method, and estimating method. So, what are the methods to find the square roots? Method of repeated subtraction, prime factorization method, long division method, and estimating method. Now we will discuss in detail about method of repeated subtraction. So in the previous class we studied how to find square numbers. That is one method we studied by adding odd numbers starting from 1. How many odd numbers to add starting from 1? The sum which we get, that sum is a perfect square number. What is the inverse process, inverse operation for addition? It is subtraction. There we added all the odd numbers from 1. We got perfect square numbers. Now in this method we will subtract the odd numbers. We will subtract the odd numbers from the given number. If we get the difference, the last step 0, that numbers are known as square roots. Square roots. So in this method what we will do? We will subtract the odd numbers. What we will do it is, we will subtract the odd numbers from 1. The total, the last difference which we get, if it is 0, then that number is a square root number of given number. So we will discuss with an example. Find the square root of the following numbers. The following numbers. 81. The other number is 121. 81 and 121. So what we will do in this method? We will subtract the odd numbers from the given numbers from starting from 1. So first bit it is 81. So from this subtract the first odd number. What is the first odd number? 1. So from 81, 1 if you subtract, what is the difference between what? 80. So next from 80 subtract the next odd number. What is the next odd number after 1? It is 3. 80 minus 3, it is 77. 77 minus 5. 5 is the next odd number. We get 72. 72 minus next odd number, it is 7. 72 minus 7, it is how much we will get? It is 60. Right. 65 we got. 65 minus next odd number, it is 9. 65 minus 9, it is 56. 56 minus the next odd number, it is 11. 56 minus 11 is equals to how much it is? 45. 45. Next from 45 subtract the next odd number. What is the next odd number after 11? It is 13. 45 minus 13 is equals to 32. So from 32 subtract the next odd number, it is 15. 32 minus 15 is equals to 17. From 17 subtract the next odd number, it is 17. 17 minus 17, it is 0. So finally what we got, the difference, it is 0. Therefore 81 is a perfect square number. Now square root of 81 is equals to how many odd numbers we have subtracted. That number will give you the square root of 81. How many odd numbers we have subtracted? Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 9 odd numbers we have subtracted. Therefore, square root of 81 is equals to 9. This method is known as repeated subtraction method. What we did here? Repeatedly we have subtracted the odd numbers. That's why this method is known as a repeated subtraction method. Now, we will discuss the other problem B. 121. So 121, which is the first odd number? Is 1. 121 minus 1 is equals to 120. So 120 minus 3 is equals to 117. 117 minus 5 is equals to 112. 112. 112 minus 7 is equals to how much it is? 105. 105. From 105 subtract the next odd number. Which is the next odd number after 7? It is 9. 105 minus 9 is equals to how much we get? 96. 96 minus next odd number is 11. So which will get, how much we get? 96 minus 11, it is 85. 85 minus 13 is equals to how much we get? 5 minus 3, it is 2. 8 minus 1, 7. 72 will get. 72 minus next odd number, it is 15. 72 minus 15, 2 minus 5 is not possible, so go for borrowing. 12 minus 5, it is 7. 6 minus 1, it is 5. 57. 57 minus next odd number, it is 17. 57 minus 17 is equals to how much we get? It is 40. 40 minus the next odd number, it is 19. 40 minus 19 is equals to what we get? It is 21. 21 minus next odd number after 19. What is the odd number which we get? It is 21. 21 minus 21, it is 0. So finally we got the difference, it is 0. Till we get 0, we have to subtract the odd numbers. Then how many odd numbers we have subtracted? Count those odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21. So how many odd numbers you have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 odd numbers we have subtracted from 121. Therefore, square root of 121 is equals to 11. Square root of 121 is equals to 11. So in this method, what we will do? Repeatedly, we will subtract the odd numbers till we reach the difference is 0. If you don't get 0, then that number is not a perfect square number. Only for perfect square numbers we will get 0. So finally count how many odd numbers we have subtracted. That number will give you the square root of the given number. So I think today I hope you understood my topic. The prime factorization method we will discuss in the next class. Right. Next we will discuss one more sum. Check whether 56 is a perfect square or not by using a repeated subtraction method. Check whether 56 is a perfect square or not. Using repeated subtraction method, we have different methods to check whether 56 is a perfect square or not. But we are using a repeated subtraction method, whether it is a perfect square or not. How can you check whether 56 is a perfect square or not? By subtracting odd numbers starting from 1, and if you get the difference as 0 in the final step, then we can say that 56 is a perfect square. Otherwise it is not a perfect square. Now 56, which is the first odd number, 1. 56 minus 1 is equals to 55. 55 minus 3 is equals to 52. 52. Then 52 minus 5 is equals to 47. 47 minus 7 is equals to 40. 40 minus 9 is equals to 31. 31 minus 11 is equals to 20. Is equals to 20. 20 minus, next odd number is 13. 20 minus 13, it is 7. 7, the last one. 7 minus, next odd number after 13, which is the odd number, it is 15. 7 minus 15, what we get when you subtract minus 15 from 7? How do you subtract? Subtract these two numbers and take the bigger number sign. 15 minus 7, 8, and 15 is having the minus sign, therefore it is minus 8, which is not equals to 0. Which is not equals to 0. Therefore, what we can say? Therefore, 56 is not a perfect square. A perfect square. If it is a perfect square, how can you find its square root? By counting the number of odd numbers which are subtracted from 56. As 56 is not a perfect square, you cannot find its square root. So, with this, I have completed the method of repeated subtraction. Now today's homework is textbook page number 102, exercise number 6.3, question number 1 and 3. Along with this, write all the key points from this video in your classwork notebook. Thank you, and I hope you understand today's concept.